If you don't think I'm enjoying having this flag on the tractor, I'm loving every minute of it. Sometimes I think I'm living a dream. Wanted to do this for a long time, and I just think it's neat and I love it, and it's going to stay there. I hope you enjoy it too. Christmas Day and snow finally hits my property, 5 inches of wet snow. This video was done with my DJI Mavic Pro 2 drone. I use the active track feature, where it follows the tractor. Really struggled with it. It was bobbing and weaving in the air. You'll see that in the first part of the video. Then I'll go to Spotlight, Track. Also on the video, I put up my American flag on my tractor, which I love it. More snow is on the way. Day after Christmas, we got hit with over a foot. That video will be coming soon. So this was a win. I start to rev up the tractor to start blowing snow along the street, and then I realize my chute is not in the correct position. I really need to get a welder and make some hydraulic cylinder mounts for my chute so I can adjust it with the third function on my loader. I thought this was a good view because you can really see what it's like for me to fly the drone with filming it from the drone and snow blow my driveway. This took an exceptionally long amount of time and my batteries were fresh. It's just I have to do my driveway instead of long passes on it. I break it up into doing it in thirds to position the drone to take the footage. Never done this view inside the cab. I'm a big guy, 6'2" and a half, lineman, NFL lineman size, and you can see how I fit in the cab. Love having the American flag in the background. That's a first for this video, mounting it. Been wanting to do that for a while. I have Velcro pads on the dashboard of my tractor and also on the remote control for the drone, so that's where I stick it when I'm using both my hands, sometimes on my knee, but that's a really handy spot for it if you're thinking about doing videos with a drone in your tractor. is when I take the drone out of the active track mode that it's in and put it in spotlight mode. In that mode, the drone stays in the same position and it rotates and angles the camera to follow the tractor. It really doesn't fly around. It almost hit the house, and I did, man, probably 14 months ago, I crashed this drone into the house. So this drone has hit the house, it's flown into a tree, a couple incidents with it, and this is where I abort using this tracking mode. The drone battery is dead, and I'm letting the drone land itself via its programming on a landing pad that I have in front of my house. It's a little nylon disc, 2 inches, 2 feet in diameter. And I figure, I'm gonna let it land itself, see how it does, and I'm gonna pull a new battery out and get ready to go. And it's not hitting the center of the pad, and my eyesight isn't like it used to be, and I'm trying to adjust the drone so it lands on the pad, and I get most of it on the pad at the last minute. So this is what it's like inside the cab when I'm landing the drone while snow blowing my driveway. Then I gotta put it back on the dashboard with the Velcro pads. She's not a happy drone today. Almost hit the house. An active track. There she is, if you can see her, Marauder 1. DJI Mavic Pro 2 Zoom. I've crashed it. Second last time I flew it, I crashed it into the house last year. Let's keep going. Well, that was a sloppy lowering of the snowblower. Please let me know if you hear any strange rattling from the snowblower in this video. I think we found the problem, but please comment. next segment is about a minute long. Just please, I'm not going to talk a lot, just look at the stance of this tractor, the width of the front and rear tires. Doesn't it look so much better than the stock stance? I do. I adjust the heat. I'm getting really hot. I used the block warmer in the garage before I shot this video, and it did a great job of warming the tractor up. Boy, I love having the knob on the steering wheel. Tire spacing, for those of you who are asking questions, look at how good this is. Remember, the blower is 59 inches wide. You can just now see the overhang of my rear tires, be 3 inches on each side beyond that 59 inches, but it still works great. I'm actually surprised how alert and focused I am while operating this tractor. I wish I could do that in other things in my life, like when I'm having a conversation with my wife, and I love her. But just, I hope you notice that. It's pretty interesting. Blower sounds really great. I don't hear any rattles in it. I think this cab is a little on the small side, especially for myself, but it's very plush and I love it. Almost 3 years and I've become very comfortable in it. I'm lucky. She's flying the colors and looks proud to do it. Love this shot. I want to thank all the viewers and subscribers for supporting my channel. It's how you keep score, I guess. I guess most of us, if not, most of us have type A personalities. We want to win. We want to be the best. And by tracking the amount of views and subscribers you get, that's a way of keeping score. I want to put up good content you enjoy watching. And I'm honored by your views, those of you who subscribe, and people who comment. Man, especially those who help me. I appreciate the suggestions. For those of you who email me with questions, and I apologize, I get about 150, 200 emails a day, and I go through those. That's my company emails, so I don't check my Marauder Michelli at gmail.com account as much as I should, but I am going to start doing that. Some of you, if I can help you or give you some of my experience with this tractor or any other machines, I'm going to do that. I'll give you a quick walk around on the machine with a flag. Merry Christmas. You know, when I'm cleaning off the cars or shoveling, we have a 15-mile-an-hour wind. And when I'm not doing that, we don't. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Please, if you ride motorsports off-road, please wear a helmet for your protection and set an example for others. Let's respect each other's opinion. I hope to see you on the trail. God bless.